The trampoline. It's finally stopped snowing. I gotta be careful when I'm walking. But yeah, look, y'all. Finally stopped snowing. This is like a whole pillow of snow. You have those gloves on? Come on. Go that way. Be careful. That's ice right there, baby. Go this way. You hear you. Why you retie them shoes tighter than that? And what? I'm not going to go there. Look at Drizzy's storage thing. Gab. Got all the ice on it. Woo! Let's see. I wish I can get like I forgot the measuring tape, but this is how much that has accumulated. Really? Go ahead, Lamb. You think you can get out? You can get out the gate. You should be able to. I'm gonna follow your snow path. Look at Drizzy's little house. Come on, Stink. Go ahead. Go. Look at all the snow. So, this, huh?
The snow is lodged in it.
It's lodged in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it look like snow coming down again? I thought it was over with.
The snow's coming down now.
Okay. Hold on, baby. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you push it?
This one's like this.
Okay, hold on. Like that. Pull it in. Pull it up. Hold on, Lamb. Watch out. Oh my God, look there. So, here you are. Stand. Remember we have that like dip right here to go to the driveway. So stand right here by mama.
Mm-hmm.
And go ahead. You want to walk before me or you want me to go?
No,
Want me to go?
Before you. I'm the leader.
You're the leader. How far down you going in? You just... So, this is New Orleans after the winter snow. You think you can push that gate?
What gate?
Our gate. So, and this would technically, and try to walk in this straight little line, but this would technically be the street. Hence,